Experience Zen in this unique home designed by famed architect Walter S. White. This architectural gem, crafted for psychoanalysis Dr. Franz Alexander, seamlessly blends tranquility and sophistication. Welcome to Wander Palm Springs. I'm Frankie, and I'm going to lead you on a tour in this mid-century modern home with 3 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, a pool, a hot tub, a separate guest house, and so much more that I'm excited to show you. Emerging from the rocky boulders, this home gives you a breathtaking panorama of the Coachella Valley down below. It is nestled in the charming Little Tuscany neighborhood, giving you complete seclusion while only being less than 5 minutes away from downtown Palm Springs. Now, come on, I know you want to. Let's go take a look inside. Now we're going to enter the 2-level main house here on the ground level, where we have a beautifully decorated foyer to just greet us into the home. But we're going to go ahead upstairs the black steel and wood staircase to our great room on the top level that is styled with an ultra-modern take on mid-century decor. You're going to see custom furniture all throughout the home here that is accented by V-shaped steel beams, redwood paneling on the ceilings. You have wall-to-wall glass up here with glass doors that open up all the way to give you a true mid-century modern indoor-outdoor living, which is a classic California lifestyle. The weather here in Palm Springs is pretty much perfect all year round, so you can just leave these wide open anytime that you are staying here with us. The double height atrium here gives you a feeling of openness all throughout, along with the stunning lava rock stonework you're going to notice walking along the house here that adds just such a beautiful touch. Now we're first going to step on into our expansive living room that gets the best natural light from our floor to ceiling windows. And one thing I am in love with in this living room is all of the color tones. The plush couches here have a very rich, deep green tone that contrasts beautifully against our wooden features and all of the earthy hues, making it feel so cozy and comfortable. And as we come on this way in the living room space, we have a gorgeous retro lounging chair right next to a gas fireplace built into that beautiful lava rock we saw earlier. This is perfect for those winter months or definitely those cooler desert nights. Now we're gonna head through our glass sliding doors here to our wrap-around balcony that goes all throughout the first floor. You're gonna see a couple different areas for lounging out here, as well as an outdoor grill. Now, I think this is the perfect place to come out with your morning cup of coffee or even a nice sunbathing session. Either way, you're going to get the most amazing mountain and valley views. And this balcony overlooks our gorgeous backyard area that I'm going to show you a little bit later. Now, as we're making our way into our kitchen area, we have one of the most unique features of this house. We have an indoor fire pit here. And what I love most about this fire pit is that it actually separates our 2 dining tables. One of those tables seats 5 and the other seats 8. They are placed right next to our fireplace here. So if you open up all of the doors and enjoy your dinner at one of these tables, you're gonna feel like you're dining al fresco at a 5-star Palm Springs restaurant. I mean, how amazing is that? Now we have our very spacious kitchen that has a sleek retro feel to it with all of the wood paneling and gorgeous marble countertops. I'm definitely getting a 1970s Palm Springs vibe in here. We have high-end cookware, appliances, glasses, and my favorite feature of this kitchen is that you have a built-in Nespresso machine here. This is definitely for all of you coffee lovers. When you are staying at a Wander, we provide everything for you here to cook a fabulous meal. But if you need a break from cooking, you can contact our Wander Concierge to recommend the best local private chefs in the area to come here and cook a meal for you and your guests. Now we're gonna head downstairs here to take a peek at our bedrooms. On the left side here, you can enter the primary bedroom that is so spacious and very bright. You're first gonna notice our very prominent V-shaped beams here, as well as your California king bed that is placed right in the middle of the floor with a storage space on the backside. And I am such a huge fan of the placement of this bed here. You're right up next to the windows, so you can stay comfortable and cozy in your bed and stargaze at night, or wake up to the beautiful nature that's going to surround you out there. Now in this bedroom, you're also gonna have an office desk area, a very comfortable lounging space, and a flat screen TV. In every Wander bedroom, our top priority is your comfort. We want you to get even better sleep here than you get at home. So we make sure our mattresses use the latest in sleep technology so that you wake up refreshed and fully rejuvenated. And my favorite feature is that we have wireless phone chargers next to every single one of the beds. So if you're like me and you forgot to pack your phone charger, you don't have to worry. Now, as we walk behind our California king bed here, we can enter into our primary bathroom that is so uniquely designed. You have wooden cabinetry with a black double sink vanity and very retro turquoise tiling all throughout that I'm so in love with. And then you have a walk-in open glass shower here with direct access to the outside with beautiful stonework. It makes you feel like you're in an outdoor shower, but you're nice and cozy in your own bathroom. In every Wander bathroom, you will find luxurious amenities like shampoos, body washes, and conditioners that are all meticulously handpicked to ensure quality that will exceed your expectation. And you're also going to be able to wrap yourself up in the comfort of plush towels, robes, and slippers that we provide. And in every Wander house, I always look forward to putting on my Wander robe. It is easily my favorite amenity. Now, opposite our primary bedroom, we have another bedroom here with a king-size bed, a flat screen television, a very retro lounging chair, which is so cool. You have an Ensuite bathroom, and you have direct access to our outside area.
One of the main benefits of staying at a Wander versus other vacation homes is the ultra-modern workstations found at every single property. Every Wander home has high-speed internet and ubiquity hardware across the entire property. Each workstation has a Herman Miller Aeron chair, which has the best back support of all chairs and an uplift sit-to-stand desk. Equipped with the best Logitech Brio 4K camera, you will look crystal clear in all of your Zoom calls, eliminating the need for a virtual background. You can enjoy a 38-inch extra-wide LG curved monitor with plenty of space to do all of your work. Once I arrive, all I need to do is connect my computer to a single wire to ensure a smooth and hassle-free experience.
Now that is the interior of our main house here, but we're finally gonna step on out to our backyard that is truly like your own resort. It is enclosed by very lush and green trees to give you ultimate privacy. You have manicured lawns, a xeriscape desert garden, along with beautiful stonework all throughout. The circular pool out here is definitely the big standout of the house. It is so gorgeous, and that is accompanied by our raised up stone hot tub. So just imagine taking a dip in these crystal clear waters with the palm trees towering over you, and you have the most spectacular mountain and valley views. I mean, that is the dream California lifestyle. And you're also going to find plenty of lounging space out here, as well as a dining table with outdoor heaters, so you can truly dine al fresco. Now, on the other side of our backyard, you have the guest house, which is perfect for larger groups and gathering. You have a bedroom with a California king bed, 2 additional full bathrooms, a living room, a full kitchen, and you have your own private patio access. Now, behind our living room, you're gonna find a built-in mini bar. And I said mini bar, but we have absolutely everything you're gonna need here. We have tons of cocktail and bar glasses and a full bar kit. This is very old school and retro, so you can just make a cocktail and relax in the living room. You can elevate your family vacation with Wander. We are here to provide you with children's items such as cribs and high chairs, so you can free up some precious luggage space on your epic getaway. Are you overwhelmed with what to do during your stay? Well, we can help you out. We have a travel guide you can watch next with a ton of recommendations of what to do, see, and eat within the area. But Are you looking for more specific help? Our Wander Concierge team can help you out. Just simply text them at the number shown here on the screen anytime with questions. At Wander, we believe that life's special moments, such as weddings and family gatherings, are meant to be celebrated together. Our properties are the perfect backdrop for these occasions. Whether you're planning a dream wedding, a bachelor or bachelorette party, an epic family reunion, or any other special gathering, Wander allows you to create unforgettable memories. Head on over to wander.com/events to discover more on how to make your celebrations extraordinary. Well, thank you for joining me here at Wander Palm Springs. With our house tour complete, let's go explore the surrounding area because there is a ton to do, see, and eat here. You can check out our travel guide next to learn all about it. We can't wait to welcome you here in sunny California.